Non-grain oriented electrical steel for the electric vehicle industry. Hello everyone, welcome to this informative session by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Today we will discuss a critical material that is driving the future of electric mobility worldwide. Non-grain oriented electrical steel, commonly known as NGO electrical steel. As electric vehicles continue to transform the global automotive industry, the demand for high efficiency electric motors has increased significantly. At the heart of these motors lies a specialized material that directly impacts performance, efficiency, energy consumption, and vehicle range non-grain oriented electrical steel. In this presentation, we will cover introduction to electrical steel, types of electrical steel, what is non-grain oriented electrical steel, applications in electric vehicles, manufacturing process, key properties, quality requirements, sourcing challenges, supplier qualification, inspection and testing, industry trends, how URGS supports the EV industry. Let us begin. Electrical steel is a special type of steel designed to provide excellent magnetic properties. Unlike conventional carbon steel, electrical steel is engineered to minimize energy losses when subjected to alternating magnetic fields. Electric steels are widely used in electric motors, generators, transformers, industrial drives, renewable energy systems, electric vehicles. Electric steel enables efficient conversion between electrical and mechanical energy. There are two major categories of electrical steel. First, grain-oriented electrical steel. Second, non-grain-oriented electrical steel. Grain-oriented electrical steel is primarily used in transformers because its magnetic properties are optimized in one direction. Non-grain oriented electrical steel provides nearly uniform magnetic properties in all directions, making it ideal for rotating machinery such as motors and generators. Electric vehicle motors require rotational magnetic fields, making NGO electrical steel the preferred material. Now let us understand what non-grain oriented electrical steel is. NGO electrical steel is a silicon alloy steel specifically manufactured to achieve superior magnetic characteristics. Typically, silicon content ranges between 1% and 3.5%. The addition of silicon improves electrical resistivity and reduces energy losses. The material is carefully processed through rolling, annealing, coating, and quality control operations to achieve the desired magnetic performance. The primary objective is to minimize core losses, eddy current losses, hysteresis losses, while maximizing magnetic permeability. This directly improves motor efficiency. Why is NGO electrical steel important for electric vehicles? The electric motor is the heart of every EV. The efficiency of the motor directly influences vehicle range, battery consumption, power output, acceleration performance, thermal behavior. A small improvement in motor efficiency can significantly increase vehicle range and reduce battery requirements. Therefore, automotive manufacturers continuously seek high quality NGO electrical steel to improve motor performance. Now, key applications include tractor motors, drive motors, hybrid vehicle motors, charging infrastructure, auxiliary motors, industrial EV components. Now, let us discuss the manufacturing process. The manufacturing process generally includes steel making, then controls casting, hot rolling, pickling, cold rolling, annealing, surface coating, slitting, and packaging. Each stage influences the final magnetic properties of the material. Strict process control is essential. The most important characteristics of NGO electrical steel includes low core loss. Core loss represents energy loss during magnetic cycling. Lower core losses means higher motor efficiency, high magnetic permeability. This allows magnetic flux to flow easily through the material. High saturation magnetization. This improves motor torque and power density. Low thickness. Thinner material reduces eddy current losses. Excellent surface insulation. Special coatings provide electrical insulation between laminations. Good mechanical strength. The material must withstand high-speed motor operation. Now let us discuss grades. Various NGO electrical steel grades are available depending on efficiency requirements, motor design, cost considerations, operating frequency. Premium EV manufacturers often select high-grade NGO electrical steel with ultra-low core losses for advanced traction motors. Quality requirements are extremely stringent. Critical parameters include chemical composition, silicon content, thickness accuracy, surface quality, flatness, coating thickness, magnetic properties, mechanical properties. Any deviation can affect motor efficiency. Now, inspection and testing play a critical role. Typical tests include chemical analysis, core loss testing, magnetic permeability testing, epistine frame testing, tensile testing, coating evaluation, dimensional inspection, surface defect assessment. Automotive OEMs demand complete traceability and documented quality records. Global sourcing of angioelectrical steel has become increasingly important. Manufacturers often source materials from international suppliers to ensure consistent quality, competitive pricing, advanced technology, reliable supply chain. However, sourcing presents several challenges: supplier qualification, technical evaluation, quality verification, logistics management, compliance requirements. This is where engineering support becomes valuable. Supplier qualification is essential before procurement. Evaluation criteria generally include manufacturing capability, quality management systems, technical expertise, production capacity, testing facilities, customer references, process controls. Comprehensive supplier assessments reduce procurement risks. The future of the EV industry is strongly connected to advancements in NGO electrical steel. Key trends include higher efficiency grades, ultra-thin laminations, improved coatings, advanced motor designs, increased demand for EV production, sustainable manufacturing. As governments worldwide promote electric mobility, demand for NGO electrical steel is expected to grow significantly. Now let us discuss how URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited supports organizations in this sector. Our services include global sourcing support, supplier identification, supplier qualification, vendor assessment, technical evaluation, quality inspection, material testing coordination, supply chain support, engineering consulting, quality assurance and quality control services. We help organizations identify reliable sources, evaluate supplier capability, verify quality requirements, and strengthen supply chain performance. Our objective is to help manufacturers achieve reliable procurement, consistent quality, and improved operational efficiency. As the EV industry continues to expand, selecting the right NGO electrical steel and the right supply chain partners becomes increasingly important. In conclusion, non-grain oriented electrical steel is one of the most important materials in modern electric vehicles. Its magnetic properties directly impact motor performance, vehicle efficiency, and overall EV success. Organizations that focus on quality sourcing, supplier qualification, inspection, testing, and technical compliance can significantly improve product reliability and competitiveness. Thank you for joining us today. For sourcing support, inspection services, supplier evaluation, quality assurance, and engineering solutions related to non-grain oriented electrical steel and electric vehicle industry, please contact us. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +91 73 59 45 8455. Thank you and have a wonderful day.